Hey y'all, today we'll make a very special pumpkin bread recipe. It's got a secret ingredient that makes it super special. Everyone always loves it. And I got this cute pan to make it with. I love these little individual loaves. It's going to be so cute. Just the pan itself is gorgeous. You could just put it in the corner in the kitchen and have a nice decoration for the fall. The first thing we'll do is spray it with some Baker's Joy. This is what they recommended. It's kind of tough to get in all the little cracks without overdoing the spray. Now I'll mix all the dry ingredients in this bowl. I'll put the full recipe in the video description. There's twice the amount of nutmeg than cinnamon in this recipe. Nutmeg smells so good. I think it's one reason this pumpkin bread stands out. Now for all the wet ingredients. I just mix them in a smaller bowl or measuring cup. This is the secret ingredient, sherry. It complements the cinnamon, nutmeg, and pumpkin so well. For this video, I tried to adapt the recipe to make 6 mini loaves in that special pan. I think there's still just a teeny bit too much batter, but it has worked out great for me. I'll provide the original recipe in case you want to make an entire loaf. The original recipe actually makes 2 loaves. It's great to give as a gift during the holidays. I always get messages from friends saying how much they love it. Now we just want to mix up the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients before we put them together. I got this pumpkin last season. It's called Porcelain Doll. It's actually a pink pumpkin. I cooked and pureed it and put it in the freezer in 1 cup servings. I even roasted some of it, and it was so good. Look at this beautiful color. Now let's try to pour this in the pan without making a mess. Look how beautiful these are just in the pan. I love the little scallop shapes on the edges. Now we'll check to see if they're done. Now let's see how well that Baker's Joy worked. The pan came away so very easily. I didn't even have to shake it. Aren't these so cute? You can certainly leave them plain. They taste very good plain, but I wanted to try a few things. So first let's try some powdered sugar. The powdered sugar is pretty and it helps to bring out the designs, but let's try some maple glaze. This pumpkin bread contains a lot of sugar and doesn't really need a glaze, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like glazed. It's really pretty, and my husband loved it. He thought it tasted wonderful. You'll want to stir it until all of the lumps are gone and it's a smooth glaze. Making these pumpkin bread loaves brings back memories of my mom making it during the holidays. I remember she would bake it in a coffee can. Does anyone else remember that? It had this unique round shape that was perfect for slicing. Unfortunately, you can't find coffee cans anymore. The trick is really to just evenly cover the whole top with a thin layer so that you can bring out the designs and it looks really good from the top. I love watching that glaze go down the sides. We've had a tough year, as I know everyone else has, losing friends way too young and other friends with illnesses that we pray for daily. Sometimes there isn't anything you can do or say, but just being there in case they want to talk and or bringing them some pumpkin bread is the best you can do. I took some to a friend yesterday and I'm so glad I did. You can see the first one I did with the acorns. I think the glaze was not thick enough, so I added some more powdered sugar, and I think this one, the one I'm currently working on, looks a lot better. I'll go back and add some over the top of those acorns. You'll be able to see in the last few photos what it looks like. It looks a lot better. And I'll add a little powdered sugar too, one more. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video.